Hello guys and welcome to another video. There is a severe thunderstorm watch near where I am, which is Central Delaware. Oh! Yeah, as you can see, it's kind of already windy. So, yeah, there's expected to be around half an inch of rain. So, yeah, our goal is to get 50 subscribers soon, maybe. I don't know, but yeah. The wind is coming from the south over there. So yeah, guys, watch out. This might be a big storm. See? Half an inch right there. It's supposed to fill up to that line. Sorry if it's blurry. So yeah. Bye. As you can see, the clouds. See, wait, that's my house. Yeah, these clouds. Yeah, but usually the storms come from east, which is over there. Let me go see. I just got new shingles, so yeah. Over. So yeah, that's what the clouds look like. Bye.